Hi, this is Jason Lloyd from Forexsuggest, and today we are going to be taking a look at some of the top 5 worst blacklisted Forex brokers. Be sure to like, subscribe, and click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. The process involved with choosing a broker may be one that is time-consuming and tedious, but when considering that traders will deposit funds into trading accounts held with such brokers, it is a task that must not be taken lightly. When evaluating and comparing brokers, the most imperative factor, amidst numerous other important factors, is that traders must thoroughly research and ensure that the broker they choose is regulated by known and reputable regulatory entities. Regulated brokers are under strict supervision, regulation, and authorization from regulatory entities, which ensure that trading activities are legitimate and that client fund security can be guaranteed. In addition to this, brokers who are members of compensation schemes also provide eligible traders with compensation should the broker be unable to fulfill their financial obligations in instances where the broker is liquidated or becomes bankrupt. In this video, we are going to be taking a look at some of the top 5 worst blacklisted Forex brokers. Coming in first at number 5 on our list, we have STForex. STForex is a St. Vincent and the Grenadines-based broker, which has been in operation since 2014. This broker has been marked as a scam and is not to be used for the facilitation of trading activities. The broker does not require a minimum deposit when a live trading account is registered and claims to offer a 200% deposit bonus in addition to a $10 no deposit bonus. The broker offers a variety of trading accounts and claims to provide PAM accounts as well. The website language is offered in Russian, and STForex claims to make use of a no-dealing desk model, in addition to offering mobile trading and an array of features and high maximum leverage. At number 4 on our list is Prime Trading. Prime Trading claims to be a licensed investment company that provides services in addition to investment strategies, products, and other solutions to traders. Prime Trading claims that there are more than 135 investment teams located in 30 countries around the world that share their knowledge and experience so that traders can generate profitable results. There was a warning from the Malta Financial Services Authority, or the MFSA, alerting traders that Prime Trading is in fact a scam. Despite the claim to offer a guarantee of success, the reality regarding trading is that there is no guarantee that profits will be earned. Trading is a risky and complicated business that requires time, effort, dedication, research, and constant efforts. It is not something that can be provided by a broker, software, trading bot, or anything other than the trader's hard work towards earning profits consistently through tried and tested strategies. Coming in at number 3 on our list, we have UFX. Both UFX Market and UFX Bank have a substantial amount of negative reviews regarding irregularities in its provision of trading solutions and services. Numerous traders have posted complaints against these brokers, and subsequently, the broker has been blacklisted by Forex Peace Army due to its widespread poor reputation in an attempt to safeguard traders. Numerous false client reviews have been posted to the broker's website, and there are numerous tactics adopted by the broker to lure traders into depositing more funds into their trading account. When traders attempt to withdraw funds, there are numerous issues, and the withdrawals are never processed. There is no way for traders to contact customer support, and also the broker promotes risky trades. When attempting to close and discontinue the trading account, traders are offered a last deal, which results in a substantial loss that clears the trader's account. At number 2 on our list is HFX. Acknowledged as a scam broker on Forex Peace Army, HFX is also listed with the Financial Services Authority, or FSA, as an illegitimate firm that is involved with illicit and fraudulent practices. HFX is notorious to use trading account funds to execute trades without prior permission from traders. This leads to substantial losses and results in the clearing of the funds in the trading account. There have also been numerous reports of traders who have great difficulty in withdrawing funds from their trading account. Numerous traders have also been accused of trading in an unethical manner and have even had their accounts blocked. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 5 worst blacklisted Forex brokers, we have Calloway Software. This is another get-rich-quick scheme that promises traders riches despite their trading skills or experience. It promises traders several thousands of dollars within mere hours. Calloway Software claims to make use of popular indicators to create accurate signals for traders when they use the broker's software. The broker does everything in its power to convince traders that they will be able to earn profits in a foolproof manner, and traders should take great caution in avoiding falling prey to brokers such as these. And those are some of the top 5 worst blacklisted Forex brokers on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next. And let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.